Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this wig sent from UNiceHair, just in case any of you guys are interested in this nice blonde wig. Y'all know I'm on this blonde streak now. Check below in my description box because there will be links as well as coupon codes and details to this wig. This is the hairline, which it looks really good, and I cannot wait to try this wig on. Every time I see a hairline that look like that, I'm like, please, ooh, I want to try it on. But yeah, that's what the hairline looks like. So let's get into construction. This wig does not come with any combs, you guys. No combs except for in the back. No adjustable straps. It does come with the grippy piece right here, and these little tags are for the removable adjustable strap, which I will add. Alright, this is the lace after I added the concealer to the hairline, and as you can see, it blends in really well. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the elastic band on this wig just to see if I can wear it glueless. I feel like I want to glue it down. This is what the adjustable strap looks like, and it's already adjusted. These straps do not play, like they be gripping. This wig is tight. I'm probably going to have to loosen it up, but for now, ooh, she gripping. I think I'm gonna take down my lace because it's not laying how I want it to. Although you can wear it glueless, like this wig is not going nowhere, but like right here, I just feel like I need it right on the sides. I don't mean no harm, y'all, but I gotta glue these sides down. I gotta just got to. See something, y'all. Hopefully I don't regret it. before I do this side, let me see how this side is acting. I like this side more. Alright, so I'm just gonna use my smaller flat iron. Here are my end results, and y'all, this wig is freaking gorgeous. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Okay, so you can wear this glueless. I did go in with my Wonder Lace Bond Spray just because I wasn't liking how the lace was laying in the front. But if you do have a bigger size head, I feel like you probably won't run into this problem. My head is really small, and if you have a smaller size head, it might work out for you. But for me, I had to go in with this. But even without this, the wig was still on my head, so it's on there, y'all. Now, y'all, I only focus more towards the front and the ends. That's it, and that's why it's still very much full, because it still has that body wave texture throughout the hair. And if you did want to add layers to this hair, you can, because it is very full. And here is the hairline, which is amazing. I love the freaking hairline. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, but she is so pretty, y'all, and really nice and full.